Guess you are wondering, where did I get those images? How did I create them? If you want a tutorial, I might do a full tutorial about that, but to simplify things, I used this AI platform that is actually booming, if I may use that word. So it is Flux1 or Flux1, but it is inside. To get there, it is inside Dzine, formerly known as Stellar AI. You come to design and then you click here where it says text to image. You can see under this stuff, like we have a lot of styles that you can use, a lot of them. So to create your own maybe your own image, you click here where it says text to image. I'm using my mobile because my laptop just went off while I wanted to do the video for you to see, but anyways, I think you're gonna see. So you come here, you can see I've already connected Flux1 or Flux FLUX1. I'll leave the link down so that you can see it is here, and you must use premium to access Flux. You must be a premium member, which is affordable. Their charges are not high, $8. Say for instance I want to create the first letter, or maybe the first alphabet, or maybe the first image. I'll come here and insert my prompt. Remember, you can also use ChatGPT to give you prompts depending on what you are making for your kids or for yourself. So I'm gonna paste my prompt that I already gotten or already written. So the first prompt that I did was which is adorable alligator. Okay, a simple outline drawing of an adorable alligator with a big smile standing on the ground. That is our first one. Remember, we are doing the animal thing, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna click here where it says generate. Okay, to generate, and then you can see it has created, and you can see it is amazing. So what